Cordyceps is also very important to us because cordyceps is the #1 food supplement that helps us in our lungs and respiratory system. But before that, it has vanadium. How important is vanadium? We know that one of the reasons why a lot of people died, of COVID-19 is because of the what we call comorbid conditions. What are these comorbid conditions? Like hypertension or high blood pressure, diabetes, and other things. A lot of comorbid conditions. But you know, cordyceps has vanadium. If you're a diabetic, you are at high risk of having COVID-19, to be infected with COVID-19. So you should protect yourself, and you should protect yourself with cordyceps because cordyceps has vanadium. Vanadium helps to fight diabetes. And if your body is able to fight diabetes, then you're sure that the risk will be lower for you against COVID. Now, the cordyceps also has cordycepin. Cordycepin is a compound in cordyceps that help in the healing process of the lung tissues. You see, the COVID infection attacks our lung cells, and so our lung cells will die. But our lung cells will reproduce and heal once we take cordyceps. Why? Because cordyceps has a nutritional value that contains cordycepin, and this cordycepin helps to revive and produce healthy lung tissues. So it helps in the healing process of our lung tissues and cells. So I'll show you another study with regards to cordyceps, I think. Yes. It shows here the effectivity of vanadium not only for diabetes, but also depression. You see, in this time of COVID, people are afraid to die. And people are afraid of going out because they might be infected with COVID. And being in your house all the time, being imprisoned in your house all the time, will bring anxiety and depression. But when you take your cordyceps that contains vanadium, your cordyceps will help you to be mentally fit and mentally healthy. And you will be able to fight not only COVID, but also diabetes and also depression.